Mint plants are also known to be included in plants that can live for long periods of years. Mint plants have the ability to grow and spread very well. These plants are able to compete with other plants to get food elements in the soil. The ability to spread quickly will certainly make the plant look uncluttered. To limit its spread, it is better to plant the mint in a pot or container. The first step in how to grow mint leaves is to choose an area that suits the growth of the mint. Mint leaves can generally grow in humid areas in forests with altitudes of 150 meters to 900 meters above sea level. For lowlands, Arvensis is a type of mint that can grow in the lowlands with upright growth and can flowering. Land conditions and fertility affect plant growth, oil content and menthol. Mint leaves require fertile soil, loose and well with drainage but water not stagnant. Climate suitable for mint leaves thrives and maximum production is with rainfall of 2,000 to 4,000 millimeters per year. Wet months of more than 7 months and dry months of less than 3 months, 70 to 80% humidity, full light intensity and temperatures of 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Mint leaf plants are propagated vegetatively through cuttings. Reproduction is often done using shoot cuttings, stem cuttings and stolon cuttings. However, it is recommended to multiply using shoot cuttings because of its faster and better growth. Cuttings from shoots, stems and stolon are first planted in the polybag. Nursery media is a mixture of soil and manure. Put the media in the polybag as much as 70%, leave it for 4 to 5 days. The cuttings are planted in polybags in an upright position 2 to 3 centimeters deep. During the nursery, it is given shade under a tree or a cover that can be penetrated by sunlight. Shade shape is adjusted to the number of seeds. Perform maintenance in the form of watering. Watering is done once a day in the morning or adjusted to conditions. After the seed is 1 month old, the seeds can be planted in the planting area or in a larger pot. To maintain mint leaves can be done in several ways, including: first, watering. Watering is done after planting and once a day or according to conditions. Keep the soil condition wet, because if it is dry it will cause disturbed plant growth and even death. Second is weeding. Mint leaves should be completely protected from weeds, because if weeds are mixed with mint leaves at harvest it will affect the quality of production. Besides that, weeds will also affect stolon growth. Weeding can be done once a week or when weeds have grown disturbing. Weeding should be carried out more intensively before harvest. The last is doing refining. Embroidery is done immediately if you find a plant that grows badly or dies. Furthermore, fertilization is needed to maintain soil fertility so that mint leaves can grow optimally and increase the production of mint oil. Fertilizers that can be used are organic fertilizers and inorganic fertilizers. There are several things that must be considered in determining the dosage of fertilizer, namely the level of soil fertility, climatic conditions and plant age. For the provision of organic fertilizer carried out 1 week before planting. After the mint grows well, the next is enjoying the harvest. Harvesting is done by cutting the part of the plant with a knife or scissors with a cut of approximately 20 centimeters from the ground. Good harvest is done in the morning. The best time to harvest mint leaves is when the air is clear so the dew does not stick to the leaves, which causes the leaves to decompose quickly and affect the aroma of mint. Based on experience, here in Indonesia harvest can be done twice a year. If water is regular and good, harvesting can be done 3 times a year. Okay, that's a little about planting mint leaves with a technique that I think is good and easy to do. Hopefully you are motivated to start planting mint and feel the benefits of cultivating this plant. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos so that this channel can be more easily found and useful for others. Thank you.